Hello everyone, welcome to our Google Forms workshop. In this video, we are going to learn all about Google Forms and what is Google Forms.
Google Forms is the best way to collect information from a large group of people or even a smaller group of people, and it is one of the easiest ways to create surveys and collect data. Now we are going to learn how to create a Google Forms account. First, go to Google Forms website. Then click on Go to Google Forms. Here you can log in easily by using your Gmail account. I'm using my Horizon account. And now we logged in successfully. After we logged in, now we are going to learn how to create a new form. First, click on Start a new form. Then enter the survey title. And here you can type a brief survey description. Then you can type your question here. And from here, you can select the question type. For example, I'm gonna choose the multiple choice. And you can add the option here. And from here, you can add another question. And you can add the questions as needed. After we created our form, now we can preview the form before we submit it. Click on Preview, and now you can see all your questions. Then submit.
Now I have the survey get ready. On the survey page, you will see on the right top, there is a send icon. Click the send icon. Then the send form pop up. They will ask you send by email, send by link, or send by HTML. We choose send by email. Below the email, you can enter the emails that you want to send. Remember to add the comma between two emails. Now I'm done for entering. The subject is your service name. The message is for I have invited you to fill out the form. Now at the bottom, you will see the cancel icon and the send icon. We choose send. Now I'm done. I have sent my survey. I can wait for their responses right now. Right now, I'm on my survey page. This is a survey that I have sent to others. On the top, you will see the responses button. It's next to the questions button. You will also see the 9. That means I got 9 feedback to my survey. Let's go check it. Click on responses icon. Now the data result will be shown here. I want to download to my computer to analyze it. On the right side, you will see the 3-dot icon. Click on it. Click on the Download Responses. Choose Save File. Click on OK. This file will be saved as a CSV format. I want to save it to my desktop. So here is a desktop. Save it. Let's go check. It's right here. Double click. Click on Microsoft Excel. All the data will be exported to Microsoft Excel format. So you will see your data right here. Now you can analyze it. Thank you.